and gentlemen, the Bugatti Chiron Sport. The two gentlemen which helped me to unveil the car, which are standing next to me, are two board members of Bugatti, Christophe Clochon for production, improve the handling performance of this car without compromising on the comfort, the power and the performance. And this car is much more agile on curvy roads and on a handling parcours. And how have we achieved to do this? Yes, we have done a stiffer chassis with this car. We have a dynamic torque vectoring, and this is one hand side, and on the other side, we reduced the weight by 18 kilos. So this is enabling the car to be quicker in and out of the corners. And by the way, on the handling parcours in Nardò, in Puglia, in southern Italy, the Bugatti Chiron is 5 seconds faster than the Bugatti Chiron Sport is 5 seconds faster than the Bugatti Chiron. So, and also the look is sportier than the Bugatti Chiron. So what is next for Bugatti? Where are we going from here? Well, what I can tell you is that we will continue to work on the success story of the Bugatti Chiron, but we are also extensively working on the brand. The brand which is very strong, it's iconic, has a long life.